guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys my current makeup routine. This is what it looks like. As you guys can see, it is fairly simple and basic because honestly your girl does not have that much time on her hands when she's getting ready in the morning. As per usual, all the products in this video will be linked on my blog with some extra pictures, so make sure you guys check that out. It'll be linked down below on the screen and also up there somewhere. But yeah guys, without further ado, let's jump straight into this makeup tutorial. So I'm going to start off by priming my face using the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. This is like a silicone-y face primer so your skin feels super duper smooth after this. Now that I prime my face, it's time to do the base. So I'm going to start off by grabbing my IT Cosmetics CC Plus cream in the shade Medium Tan, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face using my finger. Now I'm just going to blend all of that in using my finger bullet, which is basically a sponge that you pop on your finger and then you blend away. Next up, it's time for concealer. So I'll be grabbing my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Nude, and I'll be popping this under my eyes just to give myself a bit of a highlight and a little bit of a conceal. I'll also be applying this on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, on my chin, and on my cupid's bow. And then once again, I'm just going to blend away using my little finger blender. And now I'm going to grab my Mercier loose setting powder in the shade Translucent, and then I'm just going to pop that under my eyes just to make sure they are nice and set. Now it's time to add a little bit of a glow, so I'll be grabbing my NARS Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Orgasm, and I'm just going to apply this to the tops of my cheekbones for a nice little bit of highlight, also the tip of my nose, underneath my brow bone, and above my eyebrow, and then a little bit on my cupid's bow, and I'll blend that all in using my blending sponge. Next up, I'm going to grab my e.l.f. blush palette in the shade Light and grab this shade right here, and I'm going to pop that to the apples of my cheeks and give that a good old blend so I have a bit of colour but it's also nice and blended. Now it's time to bronze up my face using my Bobbi Brown bronzer in shade Natural 1. I'm just going to apply this to the hollows of my cheekbones to make myself look a bit more snatched. I'm also going to apply this around my forehead and also on my jawline just so everything looks nice and slightly contoured. And now I'm going to highlight my face using the Balm Mary Luminizer highlighter. And honestly, I don't usually double highlight, but for some reason the camera wasn't picking up my NARS highlighter from earlier, so I thought I'd just top it off with a bit of this highlighter right here. And I'm just going to pop this wherever I highlighted earlier. Now I'm going to go back in with my Bobbi Brown bronzer from earlier, and I'm just going to sweep that all over my eyelids and give it a good old blend. Now this isn't something that I do all the time, but on the days where I have a little bit of extra time and I want to add a little bit more pizzazz to my eyes, I will pop this all over my eyelids, and I'll also pop it on my lower lash line just to give myself a bit more definition. Now it's time to prepare my lashes, so I'm going to give them a good old curl with my NYX eyelash curler. And then I'm going to grab my Estee Lauder Little Black Primer and I'm going to prime my lashes by popping this all over the top lashes. And oh my god guys, this literally makes the world of difference to my lashes. It keeps my lashes curled all day long and makes them look nice and thick and luxurious but not clumpy. I love it guys, it's literally the best. And now it's time for some mascara, so I'm going to grab my Urban Decay Ultimate Perversion Mascara and pop that all over my top lashes. And then for my bottom lashes, I'll be using the Benefit Roller Lash. I did try doing this with a pretty face, but honestly, I just couldn't. I had to just go ahead and do the full screen face because I felt uncomfortable, guys. It felt uncomfortable. And now it's time for brows, which honestly takes me the longest. I'm going to start off by brushing out my brows just to make sure there's no product left in there. Once that's done, I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in a Granite, and I'm going to apply that from the middle of the brow to the end and then just blend it out using the spoolie. Voila, brows are complete. It's time to now moisturize my lips using my Burt's Bees lip balm. And then once that's done, I'm gonna grab my ColourPop liquid lipstick in the shade Frickin' Frack and apply that all over my lips. To finish the lips off, I'm just going to grab a Q-tip and blend out the edges just to make sure they're a bit more feathery and not so harsh. And I felt like my lips were getting a bit too glossy with the lip balm, so I decided to blot them down so they're nice and matte. And then, oh my god you guys, we are done. All that's left to do is set my face using my Mario Badescu green tea facial spray. But yeah guys, that is my final look and this is my current makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully it was helpful for you guys. Remember, if you guys would like links to any of the items that you see in this video, be sure to head on over to my blog, which is simontyra.co.uk. It'll be on the screen right now and also in the description bar below. And remember, you guys can follow me on social media at SimonSmilesLike for Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful for you guys and I will see you in the next one. Bye!